Hello everyone. So today we'll cover some important interview questions of Cucumber framework. Okay. So before start guys, I just show you that in my channel. Okay. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe it because I already cover this Cucumber briefly. Okay. Two videos are there. One is for setup and one is for all the end-to-end whatever step-by-step activity of Cucumber framework with example. Okay, so apart from that, I also cover your basic Java. Okay, and the Selenium of test ng there also. Okay, and also I have covered some interview questions related to both Java and Selenium. Okay, so Selenium test ng, it's all the related framework video is there. Okay, so if you want guys, you can just watch that. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so the first question is, may ask by the interviewer, explain about Cucumber shortly. Okay, what is Cucumber? Okay, so we know that Cucumber is a tool that based on the behavior driven development, BDD is also called as BDD methodology. Okay, the main aim of that behavior driven development framework is to make various project rules such as business analyst, quality assurance, development developers, etc. Okay, understand the application without diving deep into the technical aspects. That means any non-technical person also understand what is described in your project. Okay, in that particular whatever test cases are there or any business requirement is there, it's just uh, specify in simple language. Okay, so that's why it's very important guys. Okay, nowadays Cucumber is hugely used in every project of the companies. Okay, also client was requested for this Cucumber framework also. Okay, so go for the next question. What is language? What language is used by Cucumber? Okay. So Jerkin is the language, guys, that is used by Cucumber tool. Okay. It is simple language, simple English. Okay. Representation of the application behavior. Okay. Jerkin language usually several keywords to describe the behavior of the application, such as feature, scenario outline, given, when, then. Okay. So this keyword, guys, we will just going to discuss in the next questions. Okay, so this is the language. Jerkin is the language. If anyone, you can just tell that Jerkin in the Cucumber you are using the Jerkin language only, which is in the simple English that is easy to understand by every user. Okay, so what is the next question? What is meant by feature file? Okay, so feature file is, guys, is the most important file in the Cucumber. Okay, so it's the most provided high level description, okay, of the application understand under test. Okay, in the application under test, the first line of the feature file must start with the keyword feature. Okay, so feature, so what is your description of your particular feature file, it specify there only. Okay, a feature file may include multiple scenario within the same file. Okay, a feature file has extension dot feature. Okay, so this is the important things, guys. In the interview also they will ask what is the extension of your feature file. So dot feature is the extension. Okay, so move for the next question. What are the various keywords that are used in Cucumber for writing a test scenario? Okay, so given, when, then, and these are the main keyword, guys. Apart from the other keywords also there. Okay, so let's go for the given. So given keyword is used for the specify the precondition for the scenario. What are your precondition? Okay, what's was you have to just prepare for this test execution. Okay, it's specify there only. Okay, precondition. In the when key when keyword used to specify the operation to be performed. What is the actual scenario, what are the actual steps you are going to perform. Okay, for the verification you have to specify in the when. Okay, so in the then keyword is used to specify the expected result of a performed actions. Okay, so the verification part also is come into the picture in the then keyword. Okay, if the in when it's meet up to your expected result or not, you have to verify in the then. Okay, so and keyword, guys, you can use any of your additional to your given, when, then keyword. Okay, used to join or more statement together into the single statement. Okay, you can specify this any of your related given, when, then keyword. Okay, so next question, guys, what are the file needed in a Cucumber framework. Okay, so what is the main files? Okay, so the main file will be, first will be your feature file that we already covered, then your step definition, then your test runner file. Okay, so let's go one by one. The feature file has a extension dot feature. Okay, it's a single or multiple scenarios described in the in plain text. Okay, and your like the test are written with the keywords like then, okay, when, background, scenarios, feature, and so on. Okay, so it is that the file is that main, the feature are their description. Okay, so feature with the description on your whatever test scenario will be there, you have to just specify according to your test cases. Okay, in the test cases you have to just give the scenario as a description, and whatever steps you have to just provide in your given when then keyword. Okay, according to your conditions. Okay, then your step definition. So this in the step definition, okay, it's the extension of .java file. Okay, it's a normal Java file. Okay, it's basically provided the mapping of the test scenario step definition in the feature file. Okay, so it's mapped, that means you have to its links. Okay, if you press control and click button in your feature file, it will take to your what step definition file because it's mapped. Okay, then thus when Cucumber run a step described in the feature file, it searches the step definition file, executes the relevant functions. Okay, and that map to the steps. Okay, so actual lines of codes, the scripts, guys, whatever Java scripts we have to verify, we just write in our step definition file only. Okay, in the feature file we just verify, we just specify our whatever requirement, whatever test case will be there, and the actual whatever Java code or your .NET code, whatever you are the language you are preferred, you have to verify and you have to specify in your step definition. Okay, then the last, the test runner file. Okay, so the file, this runner file is extension of .java also. Okay, it's linked to the step definition and the feature file. Okay, in here only we have to link, we have to specify where your feature and step definition file situated. Okay, it gives the user option to execute one or more than one feature files. Okay, it has the path of the step definition file and the feature file. Fine. And the next one, sixth one, what is the purpose of a scenario outline? Okay, so in the scenario outline, guys, we are just going to perform our parameterization. Okay, whatever, if you have the multiple data, suppose we have like multiples username, password, or any means data like your name, surname, age, okay, your email, so we can just describe in this outline only, scenario outline only. Okay, this is ideally used when the same scenarios needed to be executed for the multiple set of data. Okay, however, the steps remains the same. Scenario outline must be followed by the keyword example. In the example only you have to specify our test data. Okay, here we need to use our the bar keyword, guys. Just if you take your keyboard, okay, just above the bar key is there. Okay, you can use that particular key to just separate your test data. Okay, now go for the next question, guys. Seventh one, what programming language used by Cucumber? Okay, so in the answer, the Cucumber tool provides support for multiple programming languages such as Java, .NET, Ruby, etc. Okay, it can also integrate with the multiple tools such as Selenium and Capybara. Okay, also it's integrates some tools as well. Okay, so the next question, what is the purpose of the step definition file in the Cucumber? Okay, so step definition file, guys, in the Cucumber is used to segregate the feature files from, okay, the un underlying code. Okay, here only we just specify our code only. Each steps of the feature file can map with the corresponding method of the step definition file. Okay, file feature file are written in this is easily understandable language. Okay, Jerkin. Step definition file are written the programming language. Okay, as I already told, guys. Okay, programming language such as Java, .NET, or Ruby. Okay, so that's why you need the step definition. Okay, for the next question, what are the major advantage of the Cucumber framework? Okay, why we are go for the Cucumber framework? Okay, so these are the point, guys, that the advantage of the Cucumber Jerkin framework that make Cucumber an ideal choice for rapidly evolving agile methodology in today's corporate world. What is agile, guys? You know, if you don't know, guys, just comment in the comment section. I will definitely make a new video for that. Okay. So in the short, guys, the agile methodology it's a good like model. Okay, that is properly communicate between your client to your the stakeholder to your development team. Okay. So here in the Cucumber only the agile methodology will follow. Okay, so Cucumber is a open source tool. Okay, plain text representation makes easy for any non-technical user also. Okay, then IT bridges the communication gap between your various project stakeholders such as business analysts, developers, okay, quality assurance persons, okay, so on. So the next one, automation test cases developed using the Cucumber tool are easier to maintain and understandable as well. Okay, in this, if you want to which particular your test case is relevant to your which test which like stable definition, you can easily go through because it's already mapped, guys. Okay, so that's why we are using Cucumber. Okay, easy to integrate with the other tools such as Selenium and Capybara. It's already I mentioned, guys. Okay, then moving to the next question, 10th one. Yeah, provide an example of feature file using Cucumber framework. Okay, so this is a simple like one login page there, guys. Okay, how you will just describe your all this. Suppose the heading of the feature file is login the application under test. Okay, so this is a feature. Okay, then if you take one your test case, okay, it's mentioned in the scenario. Okay, the scenario will be login to your application. Okay, so what are the steps? Okay, in there, in the open that Chrome browser, okay, and language in the and launch the application. This is the first step. Then when the user enters the username into the username field. Okay, then you have to just specify your whatever your given when then condition you can easily specify here in the steps. Okay, these are the proper examples. Okay, guys, so the next one, what is the use of background keyword? Okay, why you are using background keyword? Okay, so the background keyword used to group of multiple given statements. Okay, if you have multiple given statement, okay, in a single group, and the generally is generally used when the same set of given statement is repeatedly in each scenarios. Okay, if one suppose you have login, you have to again login every time. Okay, so you can just specify that particular, suppose you have to set up your web driver there. Okay, so you just specify on your background keyword. Okay, so it's repeatedly used in every test cases. Okay, then the next one, 12 one, what symbol used for the parameterization? Okay, so I already told you guys the pipe symbol. Okay, the pipe symbol just above your enter keyword. Okay, it's used for your for parameterization to just divide your means specify your whatever test data you have. Okay, in the feature file. The next one, what is the file extension for feature file? Yeah, I already discussed it. Dot feature. Okay, it's most askable question, guys, so that's why I specified again. Okay, then the next one, yeah, provide an example of step representation of file in Cucumber. Okay, so this is the example, guys. Okay, you have, suppose I just taking a given condition, given statement here. Okay, so the given, these are the uh, regular expression type, guys. Okay, here only if you run your feature file, you can found this particular feature extension, guys. Okay, sorry, this particular step definition your code extension. Okay, this particular you just in the at the rate given, this is a tag or specify whatever condition you're supposed to given, when or then. Okay, and here only you just create your method and specify your whatever your lines of code. Okay, then the next one, provide an example of the test runner class. Okay, so here also we just given an example. Okay, here add the runner with cucumber.class. Okay, and here only you just specify your where the position means the your file path of your feature file. Okay, and glue, in glue only, guys, it's an interview question, guys, most important questions asked by the interviewer. What is glue? Okay, so in the glue only we have just specify our location of the step definition file. Okay, so here, guys, you can see there is no internal body of the class. Okay, it's a blank class only. Okay, so this way we can just derive our what test runner file. Okay, and go for the next question. What is the use of glue? See, this is the important question I already told. So what is the use of glue property under the cucumber option tag? Okay, so glue property is the cucumber framework identify the location of the step definition file. Okay, you just where your step definition located is just specify. Okay, then the next one, provide an example of the test under class cucumber. Okay, so this is already we have covered, guys. So this is the example that we have to like the feature file location, your glue location, guys. Is repeatable questions. Okay, so the next one is the what are the hooks, what are hooks in that cucumber framework? Okay, this is also one important question, guys. A block a block of code target with that hooks in cucumber can run, peer or post, okay, a scenarios with the help of at that before or at that after annotations. Okay, guys, if you have any short idea of test engine, guys, there also we can specify these particular annotations, guys. Okay, so thus hooks helps the control the flow of the program and optimize the lines of code. Okay, but the pre and post condition we can specify here. Okay, the next one, how to skip the test in the cucumber framework, guys. Okay, so we can skip the test cases in the cucumber framework with the help of the tags concept, which is comes under the cucumber options. Okay, in the test runner file, you can just take a scenario in the feature file with the help of this particular at the rate tag name. Okay, there are two like your triangle bracket, guys. Okay, you can specify this way only. Okay, this is the keyword. The last one is the, guys, name any two build management tool that is can be integrated with the cucumber, that is Gradle and Maven. Okay, so these are the interview question, guys. Okay, if you have any questions, you can definitely just mention your whatever doubts in the comment section. I will definitely try to solve your doubt, guys. Okay, and also if you till now not subscribe my channel, guys, that I already like mention your Java from the basic Java to your Selenium, TextNG, and the possible interview questions also, guys. Okay, also I have covered some advanced like your collection frameworks also related to Java. Okay, and also I have just differentiate some topics. Okay, so just go through the videos, guys, subscribe and like, guys, and whatever you have doubts, please comment in the comment section, guys. Okay, I'll definitely reach out to you. Okay, so in the next video, guys, I will again come out to a new important topic, guys. Okay, so till then, keep learning. If you have any doubts, please comment it. Okay, thank you so much. Happy learning, guys.